Okay, so this particular template is from the craft category, and this is a really nice but really simple template to work with. So what we're going to do once again is we'll replace the images. That's the very first thing you'd want to do, and then we'll go ahead and change some of this text here and stuff like that. So my wife is into making bracelets, so that's what I thought. Let's create a bracelet theme here. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to replace this image. So we'll press the control key and then we'll click this image, and it highlights this image here. So that's the image, and we know that is the image because we can turn it on and off. Okay. And then what we're going to do is we are going to create a layer just above that, and we're going to turn this one off. Okay. And over here I have some bracelet images, so we'll take this one and we'll drag it into Photoshop, and then Control A to select all, then Control C to copy, and now we don't need this anymore, so we'll close it down. And making sure this layer is selected, we'll just go Control V to paste. And now with the pick tool selected, which is over here, we'll just go here and we'll kind of, we'll just have a look, and we'll set it here, and we'll see that it's kind of similar, but there's a little piece missing here. So Control T to free transform, and then what we're gonna do is we'll just, with the shift key pressed, to maintain our aspect ratio, we'll click and drag this and then just let go, and now press the enter key to accept our edits. So there you go, that's the top part, and it's already looking pretty decent. And now for the bottom image, so once again control click the bottom image and it selects the layer. We'll turn the layer off, and then we'll insert a new layer on top, and now we need another image. So here I have a second image of some bracelets, so we'll drag that into our layer, and then Control A to copy, Control A to select all, Control C to copy. Don't need this anymore. Make sure this layer is selected, and Control V to actually paste that in. Now, oh yeah, there it is. There is the template. Oh, there it is. It's pretty small. So of course, like I'm just taking some random images from the internet. Of course, you're going to have these images already done for you, right? So make sure that you select the correct image. So anyway, we're just going to, once again, we're going to try and make this like this, so it kind of fits, and we'll press the enter key to select. So it doesn't look too bad actually. And then what we'll do is we'll just bring it down a little bit like that, so we can see the author's name here, and there you go. I think that looks pretty decent. And now what we want to do is we want to change this title, so we'll control click the text, and watch what happens to this layer. Control click, so it automatically actually it should have highlighted this layer here. Don't know why it didn't do that. Oh, there you go. So get your is highlighted, and then what we'll do is we'll double click this, and then we'll change this to bracelets. Okay, so bracelets, and now it's a little bit too big, so we'll click on the move tool and then Control T to do a free transform, and then with the shift key pressed, we'll just bring that in a little bit like this, so it kind of fits, and then we'll press the enter key to accept our edits. And now here, now the good thing about these templates is that you don't really need to use all the elements of the template. Now if you don't, like say for example, you don't want to see this family worm, so we'll control click on that, and then you can always hide it, right? So you can always do that, but let's say we want to use it. So how would I use it? I would just say how, something like hot designs, right? So hot designs or fun designs. I think that might sound better for kids, right? Fun designs. All right, so that's that. And then down here, experience the ultimate journey. So we'll control click on that again, or you can always find the layer down here, and then we'll say step by step instructions to making bracelets, or something like that. Now once again, that's a little bit too big, so we'll click on the move tool, control T to transform, and with the shift key selected or pressed down, we're just gonna make it just slightly small so it kind of fits. Press the enter key, and there you have it. Okay, so you know, we went from a design which was geared more towards sewing to a completely new design. And now the only thing that I would change here is the background on this. It's red, and I think we should pull one of the colors out of here. So what I'll do is I will select that layer. So you can do control click on that layer, make sure you have that layer, and then we'll go image, adjust, and then hue and saturation. And hue is the one that actually changes the color. So let's make it more of a let's make it more of a bluey type of color. I'm trying to make it blue. There you go. I would say that is not a bad color, and you can make it a little bit lighter, darker, give it a little bit more punch, and there you have it. So that is the new template. And then all you need to do is you need to go file, save for web, and save it as a JPEG file. Okay, so we'll go file, save for web. Now this is a really big screen, so I'll just bring it into our recording area, make sure we have JPEG, and then we'll click save, and then you save that to your one of your folders and use that. Okay, we'll cancel at this point, and there you go. So here is our template. And if we open the other one, let's say this one here, this was our original. So see, here's our original, and then here is the one that we just made up. So once again, it's really cool. You know, you just have to really play around with the colors and things like that, and you get a really nice template. So there you go. We'll see you in the next video.